Here we have a 2002 Smokercraft 192 Millentia tandem axle trailer. Nice tires, brand new spare on it, removable tongue. Has a Mercury 115 4-stroke EFI. It is the saltwater version, I'm told, and a 9.9 kicker. We'll go inside here. There are 2 more fishing seats that are not in the boat right now. Does have a couple sunshades as well as a full cover. It's got the mooring cover and a travel cover. Minn Kota trolling motor, Garmin fish finder. £65 thrust, live well, bait well, rod storage, dual bank battery charger, tilt steering, has a Lowrance up here, hummingbird, and a handheld Garmin VHF radio, stereo, bunch of manuals and stuff. It's really a nice, well-kept boat. We do offer financing here at SkipperBud's. Give us a call on this one or stop on in.